quick video of new throttle body I've made. This is the original Toyan carburetor throttle body, and this is the one I've knocked up to try out fuel injection. Pretty much the same dimensions, slightly larger through bore. We've got the barrel that inserts from that end, a couple of O-rings, stop there, and 5mm diameter butterfly. Also made a throttle position sensor, which is just a 10k trimmer pot, which is ordinarily adjusted by a screwdriver. It's a small screwdrivery sticky outy bit on the end there, which engages on that slot, and then she sits on there. So I'll attach that if you bear with me. Right, that's the throttle position sensor in place. One thing I forgot to mention is, you probably noticed there's a slot in this butterfly. This was actually a bit of an afterthought, but there are two set screws here. This needs a bit of a rethink, to be honest with you, but they are stops to limit the idle, and obviously you don't want to go past full throttle or whatever, so actually I think that's idle and that's full throttle. I've got the original Toyan control arm, snaps on there and is held on with a small grub screw. And that's pretty much it, apart from this here brass bit is where the actual fuel injector is going to be attached. So always get your bits ready before you start to film. Right, that's the fuel injector, and I don't quite know why, but that is not sitting square. Yeah, I've made up this little adapter, so there's no ring into there. Followed by a small clip which sits in a groove. I can't do this looking through the camera, hold on.